Hey everybody, Nick here, and today I got an unboxing that's actually I'm kind of excited about. And part of the reason I'm excited is because I'm not actually 100% sure what awaits me inside that box. But one thing I do know is that, well, right here, this is the ProTech Sprint. This is a very interesting little piece. This is, in fact, my favorite California legal automatic knife, and among my favorite automatic knives out there. As you may recall, California has a law which basically, although most of their statewide knife laws are just fine, any automatic knife needs to be under 2 inches in order to be legal to be carried. So there you go. That's fine. No problem. And so I've got this little guy, and I like it a lot. It's a substantially good knife. The thing is, this is maybe not necessarily my style. It's a little bit high-speed, low-drag with the black blade and whatnot, the chalky black aluminum, etc. And ProTech is a company that I know can do so much better. And in fact, I found out how much better they could do when I went up there recently. I went up there in August or so, and I ended up talking with the owner, with Dave, talking with the rest of the team there, and I ended up filming the Blade Banners thing with Blade HQ. You should check that out, by the way, in which you will see I am not a brilliant man. But anyway, so I got a chance to tour their factory, to talk to their people, and when I was there, somebody handed me one of their full custom pieces. And it literally blew me away. I am hard to impress these days. This should be of no surprise to people. It takes a good deal for me to be really super impressed with a piece of cutlery. And one of these, I think Dave handed me a custom Newport with the full-on engraving and whatnot. I think I remember saying to him something just along the lines of "holy," and then I've repeated a word that I'm not going to repeat here on channel, just because I don't want to get demonetized. But anyways, so it blew me away. And so I reached out to ProTech and I said, "Hey guys, if you ever make any of those sprints in that sort of situation, you should let me know about that, because I might be interested in one." And indeed, they let me know. And what just arrived on my table is this little package. Now, I have not opened this package. But in fact, ProTech has been freaking teasing me, because they sent me the amount. I paid them very happily, and then they said, "We're not going to send you pictures. We want you to see it first in person," which at some level, okay, sure, but it's a tease, 100%. And so I don't know what's exactly inside here. I don't know exactly what they've done. They just let me know that I had something coming here. I've got ourselves a little greeting card. Oh, a thank you note. That's adorable. Let's see here. Happy holidays to you and yours. We're proud to have made this for you. Thanks for your support of our little family-run business. Let me know when you're in LA and we can meet for falafel. Again, we had falafel up with our Blade HQ and whatnot. P.S. Do not get into watches. Nice. So anyways, I got a thank you note. That's very nice. But what I'm really excited about is not necessarily the thank you note so much as what's inside this box here. This is... Holy crap. Okay, so let's go on ahead and take a look at the box here. Itself being special. Sprint Ultimate Gem, hand satin finish, 6ALV, 4 titanium with bronze anodized, presentation grade, black lip, mother of pearl inlay, matching push button, hand engraving by Bruce Shaw, Vegas forged Damascus, 3D titanium clip, one of a kind, custom built for Nick Shabazz. Holy crap, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here we go, and bam. Okay, that was a little anticlimactic. It is a little piece of something wrapped in tissue paper or another. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Now I'm super excited. Okay, and here we go, and holy crap. Whoa. Okay. So... The bastards engraved my logo. That's magnificent. Okay. I had no idea. So why I'm dying over here is they took the gem off of my freaking logo and they put it on a knife. That's amazing. Whoa, okay, now let's see what the blade looks like. Holy crap, that's beautiful. And then the inside of the handle is jeweled, as we can see right in... Holy crap, ProTech. The action is absolutely good to go. Beautiful, freaking beautiful. Okay, and then this freaking inlay here, just it plays with the light off of my Batman mask. It's just... wow. Okay, let's try and zoom in a little bit here so you all can get a better sense. Oh, wow. And then the light off this inlay is just insane. And then on the other side here, and this freaking Damascus. Oh, they kind of went all out on this. And the gem, holy crap, the gem. Oh, ProTech, that's amazing. And then a 3D milled clip. Oh, that's freaking gorgeous. Well, no wonder they didn't want to send me pictures ahead of time. That's amazing. Well, thank you very much there, ProTech. I'm very, very glad I put in this order. This is maybe, and just, compare it a little bit to the original Sprint, and of course, the size comparison, Spyderco Delica. Oh, hold on, should zoom back out. It's a small little knife, but holy crap, is that amazing. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. I didn't even notice the engraving on the back here. Wow. Well, okay. That's just awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna, rather than having this turn into 20 minutes of me just going, oh, wow, I think I'll go on ahead and stop the video. But thank you, ProTech, for going out of your way. This may be one of those times where I'm getting slightly special treatment as a gear reviewer. I don't know that this is what happens anytime that you order a custom piece from ProTech here, but I'll take it. The review's already filmed, case closed. That's impressive, ProTech. That's real impressive. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, ProTech team. And thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Okay. Have yourselves just an absolutely wonderful rest of the day. And I'm really glad that I chose this morning to sprint over to my mailbox to pick this little guy up. All right. Have a good one, everybody. Bye now.